Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn EVS. Do you know what is the full form of EVS? Yes, Environmental Studies. Yes, our book name is Pause, which is published by Ratan Sagar. Before starting this chapter, I want that everyone completed your previous lesson. I love myself. Yes, lots of you completed, but many of you are not completed. So I want you have to complete your homework, okay? Now today we are going to learn the lesson Our Wonderful Body. So children, before going to start this lesson, I want that you have to take your pencil and copy. What I am asking, you have to write in your copy. Write two things that are green. Green, you can write like vegetables. Any vegetable do you like most, you can write there, like spinach, peas, broccoli, anything you can write. Number 2, nice to smell, which you like most. While smelling you can write, like flower smell do you like most, perfume. In this way you can write anything. Third, cold to touch. Cold to touch, which you feel touch while touching anything cold, you can write. How can you feel? You can feel with your skin. So you can write like if you are touching ice cream, ice, you are feeling cold. In this way you can write anything. Fourth number, sweet to taste. How you taste anything? With your tongue. With the help of your tongue you can taste. So sweet things which you like most you can write. So let's begin. Dear children, do you see, this is our body parts. This is our wonderful body God has given us. Our wonderful dear children, this is our wonderful body which you see here. This is our wonderful body. Our body works like a machine. It has many parts that do different things. In this body part, we can see some parts of our body such as head, eyes, nose, mouth, hand, leg. This is our leg. Children, do you see all these parts? Those we can see, this part is called external body parts.